kind of work that's happening today is paving the new stretch of interstate for the Fargo-Moorhead diversion project. It got raised close to 20 feet and it's a 4.5-mile stretch of the interstate that's being paved. Northern Improvement, they're a large, heavy highway civil contractor in the Midwest. They have a smaller, older machine that wasn't performing up to their likes and their needs. They came to RDO and to the working group about acquiring a placer. This was the solution that we had for them. What we're using today is a WIRTGEN WPS belt placer. Concrete flows from the truck onto the belt. It basically spreads the concrete out for quicker pave more square feet a day using a belt placer than just dumping trucks in front of the paver. The belt placer here will pave up to 40 feet. The serial number on this machine is 01. It's actually the first machine of this size that WIRTGEN developed in the world, so this is the first one running. It is a big deal for RDO and for the working group, knowing how important this machine is to add to their portfolio of equipment.
The power is amazing. It can move mud, it's super quiet. We did a test run yesterday. We did 6 trucks in 6.5 minutes. Very impressed. And it's almost like the form of a paver in front of us, so we're not fighting the edges or nothing. It's a great machine, yes.
When it came to purchasing the machine, it was a pretty rapid process. They pulled the trigger on it and they wanted to be paving in a couple weeks, and we accomplished that. Northern Improvement had a tight window to get the machine ready, get it up here from Nashville. They put a lot of faith in the working group and RDO to deliver, and so far we've been able to accomplish that. Safety is a very important part of Northern Improvement's culture, as well as RDO's, so the machine has a lot of safety features that'll shut itself down if it gets into trouble, a lot of alarms, codes if there's some sort of problem. The technology is an open platform system, so the customer is able to run any type of machine control that they're comfortable with. We don't have a quote or a conversation with the customer without including technology. The cost of equipment, the cost of material, the labor shortage. Customers cannot afford downtime. Technology allows them to have less people. They can be more accurate with their batch plants that they have running. It's not the future, it's now, and it's part of everyday culture now at RDO and with our customers.